Hi guys, today we are making this very delicious fried turkey tomato stew with no tomato paste or puree. I'll be using a recipe I shared 2 videos back, so if you've not watched it, the link will be in the description box. Go check it out. Now let's get started. So I have here my already cleaned turkey wings. I'm going to be adding a blend of ginger, onion, garlic. That's the almighty trinity for Ghanaian aromatics, okay? And I'm going in with some seasoning cube, local mixed spices, salt, and a bit of water. And then I'll cover and allow to steam till my preferred softness, okay? After that, I'll go ahead and fry. But I'm going to fry off camera. There's no reason for that, okay, but I'm going to continue to use the same oil I fried the turkey in to make my stew. Like I said in maybe some 2 videos back, I added all the impurities from the turkey into the oil, and then I'll go ahead and fry my onions. I give it about 5 minutes to release all the flavor into the oil, and then I went in with some blended pepper and onions, and then some more blended onions, garlic, and ginger. So, as I've mentioned in previous videos, we don't eat too much pepper in this house. So, whenever I blend pepper, I have to add it to some other ingredient before it blends smoothly. And then I'll go in with my recipe. Okay, this is the beetroot, tomatoes, and spring onions. And then I'll give it a stir. I'm not going to add in any store-bought tomato paste or puree, okay? If this is your first time here, hello, my name is Yasmi and this is my kitchen taste and bloom. Please consider subscribing and joining this amazing family. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos. At the moment, the stock from cooking the turkey or the broth from cooking the turkey would also go in, and then I'll give this a stir, and then, like you do your tomatoes, your normal tomato stew, okay, I'll cover and then allow this to cook. So I gave this about 10 minutes on medium low heat, and I went back in there to add some curry powder, nutmeg powder, and salt. Gave this a good mix and then covered and allowed it to continue cooking for about 7 extra minutes. Then after that, I went in with my fried turkey. As you can see, the color of the stew is beginning to look very beautiful. It almost looks like we added some store-bought tomato paste or puree, but like I said, or as you can see, there is none in there, okay? So once my turkey goes in, I'll give this a stir and then cover and allow all the beautiful flavors to marry each other, or is it one another? Okay. If you've watched the video till this end, I'm going to assume that you're liking what you're seeing. So please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, share once you're done watching, and let's keep this family growing. Now our fried turkey tomato stew is ready. Tell me what you're going to pair this with. And until next time, keep blooming.